Hey guys, exciting news. We finally have access to the Cengage Book. If you bought a code from the bookstore, this is where you will go. You'll click on modules, scroll down to week 4, click on this link right here. It's going to ask you to enter that access code here. That's where you enter it, okay? Just a few little pointers to help you out. Once you enter the code, make sure that right here that you turn off your pop-up blocker because it's going to block your pop-ups and it's not going to let Cengage do its thing. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Mine looks a little bit different because I am the instructor, but you are going to be using MindTap, which is included. Now, I know some of you bought this book right here. You bought it off of Amazon or wherever. If you bought this book, please email me and let me know. Okay, it's totally fine. Please do not rush to the bookstore and buy an access code or anything like that. This book works great. Now, if you bought an access code, you are still correct. We can still use the marketing material. We are fine either way, okay? And we will make this work. I just wanted to pop on here and kind of show you what it would look like, where it's found in Cengage. And if you try your access code and it's like not working, let me know. I finally have got some good people to work with at Cengage that are quick to respond and help me out. And so we will get started with some curriculum stuff in a book instead of just other items. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Please let me know if you have this book or if you're using an access code. Again, please let me know if you have this book or an access code so I can make a note in my chart. Either book is fine. Please don't feel like you have to go buy either or. Okay, guys? Let me know if you have any questions. You are all doing great this semester, and I'm looking forward to finishing strong. Have a great day, guys.